Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today it is time for another installment of the Fab Fit Fun unboxing series. I know several of you said you wanted me to keep doing these unboxings because you love seeing what's in them even if you don't get the box. So here we are for the winter 2022 edition. Now usually you get to customize your items if you do a full year subscription, which is what I do. So I think all of the things in this box. However, this always happens where by the time it gets here, I don't remember anything, not even kind of what I picked. So it's a surprise for both of us. So if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. Before we get too far in the video, if you haven't already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. I upload twice a week. It's totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back on the channel in the future. So first things first, in case you're interested, this box from Fab Fit Fun. I always want to mix up the order and say Fit Fab Fun, but it's Fab Fit Fun. Say that 5 times fast. The annual subscription, I broke it down, it's like $58.985 per box. So typically, well not typically, I think every time I've ever gotten it, the stuff I've gotten far exceeds the value of that, but it is still more of a pricier box. However, it's only 4 times a year. It's like quarterly or like seasonal or whatever, so I won't get another one of these until spring. So let's see what we got this month, you guys. Okay, these boxes are always huge, which, you know, it's good because we paid a decent amount for it. So you always get this magazine in here. Sometimes it has recipes, seasonal things, talks about your products, how to use them, the things you've gotten in the box. There's usually some promotional paperwork too, but I don't see anything like that this time. Oh my gosh, okay, this is so big. It just came right out of the box. The first thing is the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. This is the prebiotic gel cleanser. Ooh, I've been really liking cleansers lately. I know that sounds weird, but I don't know. I haven't been using as many makeup removing like balms, and I've been using more cleansers again, so that's probably why I picked this for all skin types. Kale Nettle Avocado nourishes, cleans, and replenishes. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I like Elemis. I've tried stuff from them before. I want to look up how much that normally costs just so we can get an idea of like what kind of range or like high-end, low-end type stuff are we getting in this box. Okay, so this says that's $33 at Ulta for a full size like that. So we're already like over halfway to, right? Like, maybe not quite. 33, yeah, 33. We're already like halfway through towards the cost of the box. We got from insert name here, which I'm so excited, you guys. It came in, but I'm waiting on a few more Black Friday things to film the video of stuff I got for Black Friday. I made my first purchase from insert name here. And so I saw this was a choice for the FabFitFun box of the Quick Slick. This is like the thing that you can use to slick back your flyaways if you want your style to be like really slicked back. And I've used just like my clear brow gel before to do this, but I wanted to like try something that was literally actually made for that to see how it would be. All right, next up we have from This Works, the Stress Check Mood Manager. This is supposed to be motion activated aromatherapy spray with Lang Lang. I don't know the pronunciation, you guys. Here it is, a little up close and personal. I've been extremely stressed lately at work. That's like a literal understatement if you know me personally and everything lately. So yeah, probably when I ordered this, I was like, please, anything, just anything, send help. So we'll see how this works. But it says to shake it before use and spray into your clothes and surrounding area. And it's supposed to help. You know what, girl? Let's do a little right now because I'm feeling it. We're just gonna spray it right on the clothes and ooh, that is kind of nice. Okay, so we'll get use out of this. That's half our items. I feel like there's less than normal, but maybe they just cost more. Oh, yes, they do cost more because this next thing is from Hourglass. I recently made my first ever Hourglass purchase. I say recently, within maybe like the past 3 or 4 months. There was a sale on one of their Edit Light palettes, I think from Ulta, that I got. And it's nice. It is nice, I will say. So let's see how much this Hourglass product is. This is a lipstick. I think they had other Hourglass products as choices, but they're already like sold out and gone by the time I got them. Okay, so this isn't that much, these slim ones. It's $19.50. which I feel like for Hourglass isn't terrible. So this is a refillable lipstick, ultra slim, high intensity. It looks like a weapon, gotta say. I don't remember honestly what color I got. It says it's in shade If Only. Okay, so how does this, oh, okay. Okay, so I got like this kind of like mauve-y peachy color. I've never had a slim lipstick like that. That's interesting. Packaging is interesting too. Definitely weighted and heavy, feels high end. Okay, we'll be testing that out. I feel like I need to do another shop my stash for items I've never used before in my collection, because I've got some stuff floating around like that I'd like to test out. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing that. You guys seem to like those videos a lot. Next we have from Fig One. Don't know what that is. Don't remember getting this, but the Glycolic Glow Treatment. Probably got it because it has PHAs in it. Glycolic acid, glycerin, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. So yeah, probably something my skin's gonna like, knowing me. PHAs help to gently exfoliate away dead skin, if you aren't aware. And yeah, that's an issue I have with texture and things. So I like that product for me, but I also really like the fact that this has a sunburn alert on here, because if you are using chemical exfoliants like that, you are going to be more sensitive to the sun. So I really appreciate this, that this brand has put a sunburn alert that says that if you're using, you know, alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, or even PHAs, things like that, it can increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of a burn, and that you need to wear sunscreen. People, please wear sunscreen, please. All right, and lastly, oh, I'm excited about these. I wanted these. Okay, so I bought from an Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale a while ago a skincare fridge, and I haven't even plugged it in yet because this room is just, I cleaned it and did like a decluttering video like a while back. I'll leave it linked, but this room, it needs another overhaul. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to get my skincare fridge in, and I'm going to use these little mini icy globes. They're like the globes you put in the fridge or freezer, and then you like put them underneath your eyes. A lot of just like skincare, wellness, healthcare stuff in here this month or this season, which I'm not mad about at all, you guys. Like, I really could use it. When it shows you like the direction on the picture, little arrows of where to do it too, that's nice. Ooh, oh, yeah. So the liquid is the thing that like it's like cold, and then you just like, oh, it already feels cold and so good. I get so puffy under my eyes, so I'm ready for this product. Oh, I'm so excited. That is fun. Yeah, some stuff like, that's cool. Stuff I've never had before, like these globe things, or like a slim lipstick. Like, yeah, I just feel like I really don't know that any of this stuff screams winter. Maybe the skincare just for like dry skin and, you know, treating your skin, but even though it doesn't like scream winter, I don't think a lot of the things, I still really like the box, and I definitely got over the value of the amount I paid for the box. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I know that was a little bit of a shorter video, but we only got 6 items this month. Sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less, just depends on the value of the items. So that's all for today. Just a quick one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.